So make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV at the very least, and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch Cars.tv without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan from the homepage of YouTube TV, go to the top right of the screen and then click on the store icon right here. And then on the YouTube TV networks, you want to click on it. And then you want to add YouTube TV to your membership by paying for $83 per month, and you can get free trial. To do that, click on next and then complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch Cars.tv after you buy the YouTube TV base plan, you wanna go to the top right of the screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then just search for Cars. And then at the Cars.tv, you wanna click on it to open it. And then scroll down and see the live session of Cars.tv. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.